Hello everybody. Today we're going to learn the tenor part for the piece eKWANONGOMA. Right. The rhythm goes like this. Right, and you start from C on your left, followed by the other C on your right. And this is how you play that part. You start on the C on your right, followed by the C on your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just that, 5 times. And then you go F, F, G, G. C, 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 F, F, G, G. Next, you roll on the G. Then you go down to the other G on your left and go G, G, C, C. G, G, C, C. So from the beginning. Right, so that's the part for eKWANONGOMA. One more time, C and C, 5 times, and then F, F, G, G, and then you roll on the G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then G, G, C, 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 F, F, G, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so the next part is sort of a response to the call from the piccolo. You're going to go F, F, G, G, followed by G, G, C, C. So basically what you're doing is you're leaving out 1, 2, 3, 4, F, F, G, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're leaving out this. And then from the beginning. Second part. Right, so that is the tenor part for the piece eKWANONGOMA. Enjoy learning the part. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.